Here's how to build a content creation skill so powerful that you literally won't be able to stop publishing videos. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create unlimited AI image to video content for free and use it to build viral YouTube channels in the health and finance niches. Let's get started. Here's something most people don't realize. The biggest workout and finance channels on YouTube are not creating brand new ideas, they're not reinventing content. They're simply repackaging proven ideas in a more modern, engaging way. Think about bottled water. Evian, Aquafina, Dasani. Same product, different branding. YouTube works exactly the same way. The idea itself matters far less than how you present it. Let me show you a real example. This channel, Captain Workout. Their most popular video, Why Training Your Neck Changes Everything. Over 3 million views and uploaded just 6 months ago. Now here's the key insight. If you search that exact topic on YouTube, you'll find videos from 8 or 9 years ago, covering the same idea, same concept, new presentation, and it still works extremely well. So why does this work? Because today's audience is not the same audience from 5 or 10 years ago. New viewers, new attention spans, new formats. On YouTube, nothing is truly new. Speed, execution, and packaging matter most. If something worked before, there's a very high chance it will work again if you present it correctly. If you're finding this helpful, click the I button on the video for related tutorials. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this, consider subscribing and sharing the video. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Alright, let's continue. Once you identify a viral channel, this is your first move. Take a screenshot of one of their thumbnails. Upload it into ChatGPT, then use a prompt like this. Create a character inspired by this image. Keep the same body and face structure, but change the colors, details, and style to make it completely unique. From here, you can refine it further. Change outfits, remove logos, add accessories. This character becomes your visual identity. Once you're happy, download the final image. This is where most creators struggle. The script. Here's the truth, ChatGPT isn't great at creating scripts from nothing, so instead of guessing, use what already works. Find a viral video, open the transcript, copy the full script, then paste it into ChatGPT and say, rewrite this into a 100% original script with no reuse phrasing and make it safe for YouTube monetization. Now you have a proven concept, a fully original script, content that's safe to monetize. This alone puts you ahead of 90% of creators. Here's the exact system. Upload the character image you generated with ChatGPT into the chat that contains the new script. Then, type this prompt. Create visual ideas from the opening through the main content to the end of the script. The visuals should be based on the character images I uploaded. Each paragraph should include 3 to 5 visual ideas. After that, press enter. Now, we have multiple visual prompts for a single video. Go to Nano Banana and generate the images based on the visual ideas provided by ChatGPT. Download all required images. Now, open Meta AI and select Create Video. Upload the image you just downloaded. Then enter the same prompt you used in ChatGPT to create the image on Nano Banana. Meta AI generates a high-quality video from the image. Repeat the process for all the images. Now, we need to generate the voiceover. For the best audio quality, I highly recommend Google AI Studio's text-to-speech. Paste your script and generate the voiceover. Click the 3 dots and select Download. Now open CapCut, add the audio to the animation section, and align it with the visuals. And that's it. This is how you build a content system so smooth that publishing becomes automatic. I hope this video helps you move one step closer to earning money on YouTube. Check the playlist in the I button, and I'll see you in the next video.